Hello parents, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Cambridge One and connect your child's account. First, open your browser. I'm using Chrome in this video. Then, go to the website cambridge.org/1/primary. After that, click sign up. Now, choose parent, then click next and confirm by clicking yes and continue. Next, let's set up your profile. Type in your real first name and last name.
Like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the
Use your own email address. Make a password, any password you can remember. Choose Indonesia as your country. Tick all the small boxes at the bottom and then click sign up. After signing up, you need to verify your account, so open your Gmail. If you don't see the email right away, refresh the app by pulling down the screen. Then, look for the email from Cambridge, open it, and click verify your account. Finally, click next. Now, let's add your child. Click on add child. Fill in the child's first name and last name. Choose their month of birth and year of birth. Tick the box to accept and click next. After that, set up your child's login. Create a username and password for them. Click create account, then next. The next step is to enter the activation code. You can find the code on the front cover of the book. Scratch the area to see the code. Type it in and then click activate. Just a reminder, the code can only be used once for one account. Then, let's join the class. Click join a class. Type in the class key that I have already shared in the WhatsApp group. Click join class. Great! Now everything is connected. At this point, you will see the options go to parent dashboard. Click that first. Inside the parent dashboard, you will only see your child's account. Click on your child's username, then click switch account to go to their dashboard.
say you wanna try, but you never.
From here, you can find the digital versions of the book. You can also check the homework that I give under my homework. One more thing. For logging in later, there are two ways. First, you can simply log in with your child's username and password. Or you can log in with your parent account and then switch to your child's account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you and happy learning with Cambridge One. Bye!